Hi friends, welcome to the School of Rock Stars. Don't be a victim of your life, be a rock star of your life. So I want to share something that terrified me yesterday, and also because we usually here in US we usually file our taxes by end of, or not by end, by April 15th. So it's the last date, right? So I filed my taxes by almost March 25th or so. So I filled all the documents and I posted them because I use tax prep. So in that, why I use that is because it is I my college, they suggested us in during my masters. So I continued the same after my masters also. So because it's free for us as a student from that university, so that's why I use that for my tax files. And Usually so many people use TurboTax. So I used Glacier Tax Prep. So I filed my tax, I posted all the required documents, and I posted it. And but still I didn't get a refund. When I filled the tax returns, it showed me that I get refund of some amount, but I didn't got. It's almost 1.5 month. Usually it takes 21 days to 30 days. We'll get refund by 30 days. But still, it's almost like May 15th. But still, I didn't got the refund. So I was thinking about it. I was thinking about this weekend, and also I was thinking about that the refund when I'm working from office yesterday. So I came to home. So when I came to home, I saw mails. So my roommate, she bought mails from the mailbox, and I saw one letter from IRS. It terrified me. Internal Revenue Services. So when I saw that letter, it terrified me because in that letter uh, they come they gave me this. I owe amount of $296. So they gave me this notice. I was like, I don't have any clue. I don't have why I got this letter. My I like if somebody is in my place, they will feel the same. They'll feel terrified and they don't know what to do. And what I did is I opened that letter and I read all that things, and they said I owe them $296. And they gave a phone number, like if I agree with that amount, I should pay them. So, and also they gave a due date. They gave due date of May 20, 2019. So I saw this letter yesterday. So it's like a May 14th, and they gave, like, I have only 5 days left, so I can pay it online, I guess. So if I don't think, and if I don't call a customer care, if I would have paid that amount. But I don't know what exactly the problem was, because I filed my tax returns correctly, and because I have that faith, I did the same, like a 2017. I used the same one, and I got the return. But I don't know what happened this time. Why I got this letter? I was like terrified, and I was tensed for some time, but I calmed myself. And also this morning I have a habit of writing journal. So in journal I wrote, I will solve this issue. I will solve this tax returns issue, IRS issue today. So I wrote that, and yesterday evening itself I tried to call them. Like I tried 3 or 4 times, but it didn't got connected. So it's okay. I will call them tomorrow. So I called I called them today morning. So when I called them, it took like 1 hour, 1 hour waiting time. So after 1 hour waiting time, it got connected, and I told them it got connected to one of the customer care. So it's like a collections department, it seems, because I got this letter means it will automatically go to collections department. So they gave the number, so I called that number in that letter. So it went to collections department, and I said I got a letter, but I don't know the reason. So I want to know the reason why I got this letter. I don't have any clue. I filled out my forms. When I filled out my tax returns, it said I will get the refund. But why I got this letter, I want to know before paying. I don't say that I won't pay, but I want to know the reason, whether it's my mistake or it's your mistake. So, and she told me that our department is collection, so we don't have a clue about it. So but I can check on my end. So she asked me about my SSN, and after that she got my information, and just to verify, she asked me my name, date of birth, address, and all that. I told her, and she told me that we don't have any information right now in our department, so I will connect it to another department. So yes, I told, yes, you can connect. And when she connected to another department, the call got disconnected. So again I tried it, again I tried calling them, and they told you need to wait 30 to 60 minutes. So yes, and also there is an option called if I give my phone number, they will call me back. So I took that option this time. So when I took that, I gave my phone number, and they told we'll call you in 38 minutes. So yes, in less than half an hour, I got a call from them, and uh, this time also it got connected to collections department. So I told, I repeated the thing what had happened, and I told her this is what happened, and I got a letter, and I want to know the reason behind it, why I got the letter before paying the amount. So then she also told me I don't have any information here, so I will connect it to other department. So that then I told her, yes, before the lady before you, she also told me the same, but when she's trying to connect me, the call got disconnected. So I want to just make sure. So I told her, and she connected me to other department. Yes, this time it got connected, but still I waited for almost like 30 to 40 minutes here. So I waited for that, and lastly one person he approached me, and he lifted my call, and it got connected to one of the customer care official. So I told him I got a letter, this is what happened. So what he is telling me is, we feel as an dependent and also non-residential, as a student we fill 1040 NR. So that is the form we fill when we are filing the taxes. So and he's seeing the original document of 1040 NR. It's like a very long document, it seems. But whereas I am seeing 1040, because that is what generated for me when I completed all my tax returns. So that is the final thing, 1040 NR EZ. So that is EZ. EZ is that is what I am looking at, but he is looking at the long document. So he is telling me, look at page 3. So, but I don't have page 3 in that. I only have 2 pages in what I am looking. So I told him, I don't know what document you are seeing, and he is like, you are seeing the wrong document, ma'am. You are seeing the wrong document, ma'am. But I told him I am seeing the same document that I filled that I got, or that it generated after filing the taxes. So then he realized, okay, you are seeing the simplified document. Okay, yes. Then he opened the simplified document. I asked him what's the difference between 1040 NR and 1040 NREZ. He said EZ means like a simplified document. If there is some unnecessary columns, it will simplify it seems. So that's why I got 2 pages, but he's seeing the original thing. So now I told, in I think 11th column or 11th row, it says itemized deductions. So in that, it gave me like US India tax something, Article 21. There I filled 12,000. But where he is telling me that you should not exceed 10,000, because it is not like my thing. It is a constant amount for every year. In 2017, that amount is like around 6,350, because I just googled it. I googled it when I am filing the taxes. So because it is the amount between US and India. So it's like a constant amount for every year. It is not what I entered, like something like that. So I told him, this is what I googled when I'm filing the taxes. And he realized, yes, okay. He asked me whether you are a student or a business person. I told I'm a student. So then he went into opened official website called irs.gov, and he saw like there will be a publications, it seems like a workbooks. So in that publications, he told publication 591. So in that publication, open page number 29. So in that it says in between US and India it is 12,000. So that is what the amount I entered correctly. So but whereas they recorrected it, they changed it to 10,000, and that's why they gave me this letter. So that's why they gave me this letter, and they told me that I need to pay $300. So yeah, then they realized it's their mistake. I told, what should I do? Is there any option to change it online? Because and he is telling me that no, if you want to change this, you need to send an mail for us. So I need to post the letter I got, and also I need to write a letter, it seems, with hand saying that this is what happened, and also he showed me one page, right? Publications workbook page number 29. So I need to fill that page, and also I need to take that printout, and all these three things I need to post them. Once I post them, then they will check it and correct it. They will correct it since. So I told, they gave me like May 20 as a final date. So should I do before that, or will I get an extra time? So he told me that I am giving you 9 weeks time. So yes, he gave me 9 weeks time, and yes, in this 9 weeks time I can post this document. So I'm going to post this tomorrow. So I don't want to keep it with me forever. So yes, this is what happened. Because like last night it terrified me. As a student, I can't like if I get these kind of notices. This is the first time I got this notice, so I don't have any idea. Or I told my roommate, I don't have any idea. Even any of my friends got these kind of notices. So obviously it terrifies me. But what I just calmed myself, and I wrote in my journal saying that I will solve this issue today. So I did that. I just didn't. If I'm like old me, what I'll be doing is like I will just see the notice, and I'll feel so terrified, and I'll open the website and I'll pay the amount. But it's their mistake. So this time what I did, I found the mistake where I tried it and I found it. It took me like 2 or 3 hours to connect the call. So yes, finally I got the result, the positive result. I don't need to pay anything. I will get refund once I post this all these documents. So this is what happened. I want to share this with you guys. So thank you so much. If you want to share your story on my channel, please email me at rockstarmotivation07@gmail.com. You'll find all the details and links in the description. Thank you so much.